Good day, everyone. Welcome to another discussion. Today, we are going to talk about using mobile phone and the QR code. Since ICT integration allows ease of processing of information, here's an example of how we can read information at a quicker speed and in an interesting manner. Are you familiar with a QR code? Very good. It is a code that was created by a Japanese corporation, Dentsu Wave, in 1994, effectively and efficiently connecting the physical world with the electronic world. QR stands for Quick Response. It allows the readers to decode the information at a high rate of speed. This is popular in Japan, and it is also used by companies as they attach their QR code in their products. It usually gives a URL linking you to a website or immediately provides the salient information about the product. Class, you can easily read QR codes through a QR code scanner. Here's all you need to do. First, have a mobile phone with a camera. Second, using the mobile phone, download from the Play Store or App Store the QR code reader or scanner application. Choose an appropriate QR code reader for your operating system, whether iOS or Android. Once installed in your gadget, you can use it to read the codes. Third, focus your camera on the QR code. Click it and the message will be revealed to you. You can also use Facebook. First, go to Facebook search button. Second, type QR scan or QR code. Click the first result that will appear. And third, focus your camera on the QR code. Click it and the message will be revealed to you. Easy, right? Now, let's go to more interesting than reading QR codes. It is creating your own QR codes. How will you make your own QR code? Observe the following steps. First, be online. Second, search for a QR code generator and ensure that you read the information about the application. This is important to ensure your safety in the internet. There are tons of QR code generations out there, but a few of the most popular include Kaiwa, GOQR.me, Visual Lead, and QR Stuff. There are many free applications online, and therefore you can take this chance to use them. Third step, once you have identified your free online QR code generator, you can now encode the text or the information that you want. Fourth, click Create and save it as a JPEG file. Now, you have successfully created your own QR code which you can download. Then, our last step, test the QR code using your QR code reader or scanner. Enjoy! This time, let's move on to the 10 interesting ways to integrate QR codes in your teaching. First, create interactive and engaging content. You can enrich the content you teach in a class by using QR codes that link to other readings and resources. You can link to a PDF, a video production, a website, a document, or an audio file, among others. Second, scavenger hunts. Create an interactive classroom activity such as the scavenger's hunt by using QR codes that provide directions or instructions, resulting in better learner engagement. Third, share resources. Learners can use QR codes to share educational resources with each other. Example, lecture notes, web content, how to do videos. Fourth, enhanced classroom library. Create QR codes of students' brief write-ups about why they enjoy their book and put them right in or on the books in the class library. Students can use these QR codes to find out more about the books. Fifth, use in classroom activities. The QR code can be used in giving instructions in class and pin them inside the classroom instead of providing them with thick copies of printed materials giving instruction on how to do an activity. Sixth, gather students' feedback. You can create surveys, polls, and forms using Google Form and share them with students as QR codes which can easily scan and access. Seventh, provide help with homework. A detailed instruction can be made into a QR code, which students scan at home and use the information to help them comply with their assignments. 8. Research project. Make students create QR codes linking other resources and web content to their research work. Ninth, communicate with parents or partners. You can share information to parents on school events or activities in school. You can also put it in a web page for parents to get information or include it in newsletters, permission slips, and etc. You can have them printed as magnets and parents can get the information. However, be sure to orient the parents on how to use the QR codes. And last but not least, provide easy access to online content. Create QR codes with URLs for students to gain easy access to online resources. Sometimes, when a long URL is given, learners may copy a broken URL version. Hence, resources become inaccessible. That's it. Those are the 10 interesting ways on how you are going to integrate your QR codes to your teaching. I hope you can use this in your future classrooms. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something in today's session. Have a great day. Bye!